So now that we're done with the pricing, let's go ahead and continue to the last part, which is our Contact Us area. Now we're not going to use what we have here, so click and delete to remove it. Now we're going to go and copy the pricing box, and that'll be our starting point. And we're just going to move it down to this area. And then I'm going to remove this pricing and also the Find a Class button. And then I'm going to go up here to edit text for the title and type in Contact Us. Great. It's the same font and size, which is exactly what I want. And now I'm going to paste in something that I've previously written for the Contact Us page. And just like that, paste it in, and then I'm going to take the entire area and just move it down. Get it looking good, and then I'm going to click on the Add button. I'm going to go to Contact, and I'm going to take this map above right here to show the customers where we're located. Once I put the map in, I can expand the borders so that it looks right here, good right here in the box. I'm going to click Add again, and this time I'm going to find a contact box that we can use, a form, and I can make it a bit bigger. And it's not a line, but I'm going to put it right here in the center. Just get it looking good. Just a bit of tweaking, and then I can click on Design, click Customize Design, click on the border, and then have something, for example, I can change that to blue. And I can even change the fill of this box. The button can be blue, which is nice, and the fill background, I'm going to make it completely transparent. Now the text, it can also be changed, as you can see. Gray is nice, but it's not the same font, so let's change that to something like the DIN light that we used before. And I can make it a bit bigger too, say 16. You can see what kind of color the message is going to be when it's successful. And when there's errors, you can actually change the color. Like I'm going to do here, just click the box and then change it to more of a color that shows an error, like red. Awesome. Now above, you can also change the layout by pressing on one of the presets. The text can be above, below, whatever you want. But right now, let's stick with what we have. And now all that's left for us to do is change the background. So we're going to go up here and we're going to click Change Strip Background, Image, and then we're going to click on this image. We used it before, but we're just going to stick with that for now. And that's great. And now we can move on to the footer. Let's go ahead, select and delete the social links. And then what I want to do is make this strip a bit smaller. So I'm going to take the text and drag it up. And then in the toolbar, I can click to align that so that it looks good there in the box. There we go. All right, and then if I click Edit Text, I can go ahead and change the message in the footer. So I'm going to type in all rights reserved to Yoga Pro. To Yoga Pro. Fantastic. So now we've just completed the footer. Great.